Hey everyone, this is Droid again with another video. This is my second video today because I wanted to make up for all of that time that I didn't upload. This is just a little something that I made kind of randomly, and I didn't know what it was. I didn't know what it should be, but I've come up with an idea. So, basically, for heroes that go onto planets where the villains have fire powers, they would need multi-tool ice shields again. So I have come up with an improved one. This one, it's pretty much the same. It's got the two cannons down in there. I don't know if you can really see that. Oh, there we go. So yeah, it's still got the two cannons, but then it's got giant claws for grabbing things, and its own scout drone. So now every hero can have at least one scout drone, and so that would be very good for heroes. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you liked it. See you next video.